Welcome to Success Back. I am Bini Verghese. Today's topic is a successful mother. Biblical reference Gospel according to St. John chapter 2 verses 1 to 10. In my opinion, a successful mother is one who celebrates abundance in scarcity. You must be wondering what I meant by celebrate abundance in scarcity. Let's look at the wedding at Cana from the Bible. Jesus and his mother were invited to a wedding at Cana. Halfway through the banquet, there was scarcity of wine. Obviously, as is usual, the family members panicked. Understanding the stressful situation, Mother Mary initiated to intervene. Mother Mary decided to inform Jesus about the situation, hoping he could do something to improve the situation. Even though Jesus was reluctant to involve, he was an obedient son. She confidently instructed the servants to obey the commands of Jesus. Jesus asked the servants to fill up water in 6 stone pots and asked them to serve it to the guests. This was Jesus' first miracle, turning water to wine. Here, I would like to point out 3 unique behaviors of Mother Mary which all mothers can model to become successful. Number 1, empathy. Empathy can be of 3 types. First, cognitive empathy, which is just understanding the situation. Second, emotional empathy, which is emotionally connecting to the pain of others. Third, compassionate empathy, which is understanding the pain and emotionally connecting to the suffering people and taking the initiative to find a solution. Mother Mary showed compassionate empathy in which she identified the problem and took the initiative to find the solution. Mother Mary was invited as a guest, but she chose to be a host and went inside the pantry of the house instead of the banquet hall. She became the facilitator in solving the problem of scarcity of wine, which resulted in serving one of the best wines to the guests. All mothers shoulders to be a compassionate empathizer to all family members. Second behavior, resourcefulness. Resourcefulness means to have methods to achieve solutions. It is also a mindset or an attitude which inspires us to think out of the box and generate new ideas or visualize all the possible ways to solve a problem. Mother Mary had the insight to go to Jesus in the panic situation. Resources come from a source. Mother Mary's source was Lord Almighty, to whom she was always connected through prayerful meditation. Third unique behavior of Mother Mary was reassurance. Though the initial response of Jesus was not encouraging, Mother Mary was patient enough. Meanwhile, she reassured the family members by encouraging the servants to do according to Jesus' commands, thus giving them hope. A successful mother should be self-confident in her beliefs to reassure everyone around her by giving positive vibes. Let us all try to become an empathizing, resourceful, reassuring personality in the life of the needy people, thus becoming successful in our mission. God bless.